What's up, y'all? It's Michael Franti here on Elder Radio. It's my first time in Luxembourg, and I see it's a very tropical country this time of year. And this is a song for that vibe. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3. Uh-huh. Hey, hey. Go, Michael. Go, Jay. Go, Jay. Give me a snap now. I wake up in the morning at 6 o'clock. They say there may be rain, but the sun is hot. I wish I had some time just to kill today. And I wish I had a dime for every bill I got to pay. Some days you lose, you win. The water's high, it's the times you're in. So I jump back in while I learn to swim. Try to keep my head above it the best I can. That's why here I am, just waiting for this storm to pass me by. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down, down, down. Hey, hey, hey. Yeah, yeah. Hey, 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 hey. 1, 2. Here we go now. I saw my friend Bobby, he said, what's up, man? You got a little work or 20 to lend? I opened up my hand, he said, I'm glad to see. They could take away my job, but not my friends, you see. Here I am, waiting for this storm to pass me by. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Yo, yo, here we go. I wanna go where the summer never ends, with my guitar on the beach there with all my friends. The sun's so hot, the waves in motion, and everything smell like suntan lotion. The ocean and the girl so sweet. So kick off your shoes and relax your feet. They say that miracles are never ceasing. Every single soul needs a little releasing. Stereo bump it till the sun goes down. I only wanna hear that sound. That's the sound of sunshine coming down, coming down. That's the sound of sunshine coming down. Play the guitar, Jay. Hey. Give it up for Jay, y'all. You're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. You're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. You're the one I wanna be with when the sun goes down. You're the one I wanna be. Make some noise. Woo! And that's the sound of sunshine coming down. And that's the sound of sunshine coming down in Luxembourg town, y'all.